I'll be fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, I'll show today how to pack up a baby cot bed. First thing is take everything out there, and then there is this bit that we'll need in the end. Now, first step is to lift up the floor. That's how you lift up the floor, but you can see the sides are not collapsing. To collapse the sides, there is here a mechanism inside hidden that you need to grab with your fingers and squeeze and then pull down. And then again, you can see here it's not fully unlocked. Yeah. And then here on this side as well, you squeeze it and it goes down, and then on this side again, and then on this one the same thing. And now we'll need to continue squeezing it until it fully collapses. Yeah, it might take a few tries, but there we go, just like that. No, just leave him, leave him. So now, to be easier to transport, you can see all these straps here. We'll take the bed, we'll place it on, and then we'll take it like that, and we can just pack it up for transport, so it's easier the next time. So these two walls are collapsing, and then you maybe have a little bag, transporting bag. My one is a bit warm, but it will do a job. There we go. And if you have the cardboard as well, you can just place it in. And that's how to pack up a baby cot bed for sleeping.